Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tax. Pocophone F1 received MIUI 10.3.4 a month ago, but I'm busy with Xiaomi Mi 9. If you have not watched the review and the comparison with Pocophone F1, go watch it first. You have watched all those videos? Great! Let's continue with this hands-on. I know I'm late, but I know there are some users that are holding on the update because worried that bugs will affect their daily usage. Is there any bugs in MIUI 10.3.4? Let's find out. The major update that MIUI 10.3.4 brings along are WiFi L1 support, Game Turbo, and 4K 60 frames per second recording. The smaller update is added face icon for face unlock, and you can now stay at lock screen after face unlock. After update to MIUI 10.3.4, you should automatically get WiFi L1. If you did not get WiFi L1, you can get it under lock screen and password. Go to manage fingerprints, type in your password, go to fingerprint payments, then you will see Wi-Fi. Click on certificate, then you should get Wi-Fi L1. Game Turbo is introduced along Mi 9 for better optimized game experience. Unlike Mi 9, Game Turbo is added to Pocophone F1 as an individual app. By swiping in from the top left or top right, you can monitor your CPU and GPU performance and also your frame rate. At the bottom, you'll be able to access settings that you need without the need of getting out of your game. Just like 960 frames per second super slow motion, 4K 60 frames per second video recording is finally here. Not only that, you are able to record 1080p 60 frames per second video also. This is a nice add-on if you like to record video using your Pocophone F1. Previously, when you face unlock, you would directly go into your home screen where you will miss your notification. Now Xiaomi added an option for users that do not want to get into their home screen immediately after face unlock. Other than that, Xiaomi also added a face unlock icon to indicate that face unlock is working. Not sure how many of you are using reading mode, but I know I'm using it extensively. Xiaomi's reading mode is not the best as the level of yellow is not as good as other smartphones. I still feel that the screen is cold or blue rather than warm or yellow. One bug that is annoying me is night mode will be turned on automatically after sunset even without reading mode turned on. It is affecting my video watching experience, especially with HDR content. Should you update to MIUI 10.3.4? You should if you want to watch HD content on video streaming services other than Netflix. If you game a lot, you will also get a better gaming experience through Game Turbo. The night mode bug is annoying, but luckily it's just affecting the usage at night. Other than that, Pocophone F1 is still good to use. That's all for this hands-on. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.